Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you're doing great. So today's topic is understanding base workspace and model workspace. For Simulink model, we can define parameters by two different methods. One is defining parameter into MATLAB workspace and another is defining parameter into model workspace. To define variable in base workspace, we can simply add variables in MATLAB command window and those will get added into our base workspace. Similarly, we can define a variable in MATLAB file and run that file, then that will be defined into base workspace. So for today's exercise, we will create one variable. Let me first clear this. We will create a variable 1 with data type uint8 and value 10. So when we see properties of variable 1, we can see that it is defined as unsigned integer rate with value 10. Now we'll open our model A. Model A uses variable 1. We can see it is using its definition from base workspace. Let's try opening our model B. For model B, we will define a variable 2 into model workspace. So we will go to model workspace of model B. Here I have already defined a variable 2 with data type integer 8 and value 5. So to define a different variable, we can simply write a MATLAB code, or we can import value from mat file or model file or MATLAB code. So I have selected here MATLAB code and I have defined a variable 2 with integer 8 data type and with value 5. So we will reinitialize it, and when we simulate this model, it will get definition of variable 2 from model workspace. Remember, we have not defined variable 2 into our base workspace. Now let's open model C. So model C has both variables, variable 1 and variable 2. Let's try opening its model workspace. So here I had both variable 1 and variable 2 into model workspace. Both have data type of double. Variable 1 has value 50 and variable 2 has value 20. Let's try simulating this model. So here we can see this particular model has taken definition of variable 1 and variable 2 from its own model workspace. We have different value of variable 2 in model workspace of model B, and we have different value of variable 1 in our base workspace. So from this we can see that definition of variables present in model workspace has more priority than definitions present in base workspace. Just a summary of what we have seen. The base workspace, that is MATLAB workspace, is shared across all applications of MATLAB. Parameters defined in base workspace are accessible to all Simulink models with the same properties defined in base workspace. Model workspace is shared only with the respective model. Multiple models can define same parameter in their model workspace with different properties. If same parameter is defined in base workspace and model workspace, definitions in model workspace will have higher priority over definitions in base workspace. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to our channel to get more simulation videos. Thank you.